Hi, this is Corey Rogers, Vice President of Marketing for National Equipment Dealers. Today I'm on location at our brand new branch here in Dallas, Georgia, just minutes from Atlanta, Georgia. And I'm standing here next to our General Manager for the Greater Atlanta market, which is Zach Long. Zach's been with L&N Supply Company, which is the company we purchased before this became NED, for his whole life. His father started this company back in, I think, 1991, and they've just done a tremendous job representing heavy equipment products over the years and supporting customers in this area. So with that, I'd like to introduce you to Zach Long, and Zach's going to tell us a little bit about the transition, going from a family-run business to becoming part of our NED organization, and some of the new products and exciting things that are happening for this company.
Hi, my name is Zach Long. I'm with National Equipment Dealers here in Dallas, Georgia. I'm the General Manager of the Greater Atlanta market, and today I want to introduce to you our newest location right here in Dallas. I was with L&N Supply for 10 years. Actually, I've done it my entire life. My dad started L&N Supply Company in 1991. We were a full heavy equipment service center, sales, parts, rental, and we do a little bit of everything: undercarriage work, ground engaging tools, breakers, shears. We were in quarries, everything from landscaping to infrastructure and everywhere in between. The NED acquisition took place about a month ago. And at this point, we're looking forward to what we're doing in the future. We're adding field service trucks, we're adding fleet, we're adding a lot of rental fleet, and we're coming in to have a good time and to support this market. So just this week, we've received about 20 new machines from Hyundai. We've got behind me, I don't know if you can see it, there is a Bell 50-ton truck with a K-Tech 43 cubic yard scraper on the ground. We've got a lot of exciting new equipment, some tracked carriers, TC11 Bells, 7.5 cubic yard wheel loader. It's going to allow us to better serve our market, our community, the Greater Atlanta community, in a lot of different ways. We're investing in a lot of training to ensure that our men and women are able to support you, keep you and your company moving forward, and to keep you pushing on and to help you complete the work at hand. So what we're going to add to National Equipment Dealers is a vast amount of knowledge of ground engaging tools, undercarriage, and retail sales in the Atlanta market. NED has provided us with the opportunity to have 1,000 machines in fleet, rental fleet, and sales fleet, new and used. NED is also bringing to the table 15 other locations in 5 states, which is going to increase the vast amount of knowledge and the ability to gather information to help better serve our customers here in the Greater Atlanta market.
So Zach, for people in the area, existing customers and new customers that are interested in purchasing Hyundai or Sakai rollers or Manitou or anything like that, how would they, where are they going to find you, and what's a great number for them to call to reach out to you?
Yeah, so I plan on being in Dallas the majority of the time. If I'm not here, you can reach out to me on my cell phone, 770-408-8454. You can also email me at zlong@nedealers.com. Everybody around our office in Dallas will know how to reach me. You can get in touch with me at any point in time. My cell phone is always on.
One of the great things about this location in Atlanta is, one, it's a major hub. As Zach was mentioning, we've got 15 different branches across 5 states. And another great thing is the fact that we are the largest Hyundai dealer in the nation doesn't hurt the fact that Hyundai is in Norcross, Georgia, which is not very far from where we are today. So, getting parts, having access to all of the resources that they have is just a phenomenal thing that we have available to us based out of this Dallas, Atlanta, Georgia location. So if you'd like more information on National Equipment Dealers, other locations, products that we sell and represent throughout our footprint, you can go to nedealers.com.